Hi, I'm Chris. I'm from Clark Solutions. You've joined us today on one of our biggest builds that we've done. We're in Manchester, and really we've got this company that, well, they've got a lot of yard space that they're not using. They can't utilise it because everything that they have has to be inside. So what we've done is we've created them a massive space. We're talking 7 40-foot containers, which is 56 foot by 40 foot. Massive indoor space just by linking individual containers. So what we have going behind us now, you'll see the crane is operating, just moving the containers into position. It's a bit of an awkward site, but we use some really good hauliers and they're spending a lot of time today just to make sure that everything's done right. We've got 1 section in place and 3 more are on their way, but this customer has chosen to have these ply lines, so they're just basic ply, a few extra windows. The windows are double glazed. They have shutters on the outside. Basically what we're doing is we're just getting each section within reach of the crane. There's only 4 here, another 3 are coming a bit later on today. But by the end of play today, and this is the beauty of these containers, in 4, 5, maybe 6 hours, depending on the site, these containers will be together, they'll be waterproof, and the customer will start using them first thing tomorrow morning, and everything is good. So thanks for joining us. Have a great day.